So for us, it is the wish of this government to have those measures removed. We are out of the, let's call it, solidarity phase for which it was implemented. We have lived up to all of the other conditions to have received liquidity support back then. We are no longer, or we have not needed liquidity support thus far. We don't know, of course, what the future will bring, but we do believe, seeing the economic times that we are in globally, which also impacts St. Maarten, the high cost of fuel, the high cost of food, that it is detrimental to our people. And so the solidarity principle cannot be used. We are having also discussions with the unions on what is possible for this year, but at this point, we'd like to hold off on making any such announcements, but do know that the government is working diligently to have those measures removed. If they cannot be removed by the timeline that I have set, then another solution will be found, and we are having ongoing discussions with the unions in this regard. Oh no, the cut that we have asked to be removed is solely on the civil servants, the government gelieerde entiteiten, the subsidized entities that receive funds from government, as well as government-owned companies, the employees. So not for the top income earners and not for the elected and appointed officials. And that was made very, very clear to the State Secretary from the. So from the beginning, the ministers and the appointed and elected officials have taken a cut, initially with 10 and then additionally 15. So we have had our cuts from the beginning. We have not requested to remove those cuts. If that was your question, I'm sure I answered that question, yes. So I just wanted to be clear that whoever's listening isn't thinking that we are not being cut. We have been cut from the beginning, and we will remain with that for the foreseeable future until further discussions are had on that. The request by government is for the